in Gunma Prefecture is the oldest Western-style ranch in Japan. The cows graze on an open field, and during the day, the tranquil scenery is no different from other farms. But that changes at night. After the sun sets, two men emerge from an office. They are about to go on a survey.
They're here. Wow, amazing.
In the glare of the lights, a herd of wild Japanese deer. In fact, every night, more than 100 deer converge on this farm and ravage the grass. Their numbers have swelled every year, with damages reaching $200,000 annually.
Our total business is about $2 million. So when you're talking about $200,000, it's quite a big loss. Honestly, we're suffering.
Compared to 20 years ago, there are 9 times more wild Japanese deer across Japan. One reason is rising temperatures. Less snowfall has meant fewer deer and wild boar die off naturally, resulting in a continual population increase. Responding to the growing number of cases involving wildlife-caused damage is security services provider Arusok. In an interview with WBS, the company said it would launch a new division dedicated to this problem.
We've had requests from customers who ask us if we could deal with these animals. So, right now, we're working on establishing a system to capture them.
The plan is to set up traps, which will be monitored using smartphones to improve operational efficiency.
In response to problems arising from the environment, we would like to continue providing services that leverage our strengths.
Torrential downpours, sweltering heat, and tornadoes. Phenomena believed to be linked to global warming are occurring more frequently. The Environment Ministry in June announced that without effective policies, the average temperature in Tokyo, currently at 16.3 degrees Celsius, will rise by 4.2 degrees by the end of the century, with the climate in most of Japan becoming subtropical. Experts point out that adapting to these changes is crucial.
Global warming will produce various effects. It's necessary to think about adapting to changes in order to minimize damages when they happen.
Kumagaya, Saitama Prefecture, which in recent years has recorded the hottest temperatures in Japan. A project is now underway in this city. The Agriculture and Forestry Research Center. July. Farmers began planting rice slightly later than normal.
We're researching methods to grow rice strains that can withstand hotter temperatures.
Agriculture is said to be one industry that will be severely hurt if the climate becomes subtropical. Summer heat waves in recent years have damaged rice crops nationwide as high temperatures make the grains turbid and affect quality. Here, they are studying ways to prevent damage.
We're making rice plants in there and subjecting them to high heat. Then we select the ones that are strong.
Starting this year, they have been carrying out experiments inside a greenhouse built in the middle of a paddy. Here, they subject the plants to heat to check if they become damaged. So far, they've tested about 50 types of rice plants.
We hope to make rice plants that are able to withstand even heat like this.
The business of adapting to the increasingly subtropical climate in Japan may continue heating up in the future.